See, the initial report that has come to me, which I'm pretty sure is correct, I'm waiting for the written report, but I was verbally given the report, that the NFSA rice, which is meant for the public distribution system, we have already received the entire amount in advance for the month of May and June. So there is no question of this rice being there and lying there. There's no tag that says this is the Meghalaya rice. If it is not, we have no idea. But the point is that the NFSA rice, which is meant for distribution of people, has been received already in advance. So that's number one. So there is no question of this being the NFSA rice or the rice meant for the public distribution system. There has been a big mistake or a misunderstanding from the reports that have come in. So let me clarify that part. Number two, if it was also, the quantity is almost half the amount that the state requires every month. So therefore it's a huge amount, and an amount of like this being missing or not being the system would come to the notice of everybody. So therefore, and as I said, we already have received the advance for the entire month of June, so there's no question. Number two, what we have realized and what we have been told, and initial reports, as I said, this is not a written report, I'm talking about verbal report that has come to me, that this is part of the rice that is meant for the social welfare department, that is completely for a different purpose, if it is, and that part also is being clarified. So therefore, as I said, it has nothing to do with the PDS system, nothing to do with the COVID relief that will be given. If it is to do with some aspect of the social welfare, which we are clarifying. But again, as I said, that is something I need to clarify, but just need to be very clear, this is not part of the NFSA or the PDS system. The rice for that has already been received in advance and is already there with us in our godowns.